Folks, this is Mosha coming to you from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge in beautiful Dominican Republic. This is my boy Alberto in the house.
Yeah.
We like to make sure that everybody knows that the food we make here is authentic and it's not fake. I just made these young, lovely people I made her crab cakes.
So good.
I want to get their response on camera. Can you tell them what you said to me about?
So good. This sauce is the best sauce ever.
Boom shakata.
Boom shakata.
And the jerk?
After 11 months in the grill, Jamaica, this is the best jerk chicken I've ever had.
Oh my God, you hear that, people?
So
we
good.
ain't faking it. And the reggae chips. Now, these folks came yesterday. They wanted some patties and they actually sat here and waited for the patties. I want to get them. They also had a fish sandwich. This gentleman is a chef. I'm sure he's a top-notch chef. And I want to get his response about the fish sandwich. We didn't have time to get a video, but now I do. What's your name, brother?
David,
David, tell him what you say about the sandwich.
that's honestly the best fish sandwich I ever had.
Yeah, and he's a chef, people.
Fresh, seasoned perfectly, fresh bread.
Thank you.
And
You
we're
see-
waiting for the patties, so
Well, yeah, I'm gonna pause it and come back to the beef patties. This is his beautiful wife. She was so cool, I had to make their weight absolutely beautiful. What's your name, baby?
My name is Becky.
Becky, how did you like the fish sandwich?
Delicious. Best meal we've had since we got here.
Yeah, and they sit there. You know what make the trip for them? What I think make it for me? They was really, really cool. And I tell people this, if you don't have time to wait, we don't have time to
cook.
Ah!
It's what it is.
Yeah.